In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up MetaMask on Brave browser for Android. We'll walk through downloading MetaMask from the official source, adding it to Brave through the Chrome Web Store, and completing your wallet setup safely. Take your time with each part, especially the security steps. Start by opening the Brave browser on your Android device and heading to metamask.io download. Going to the official website is important to avoid fake links or malicious extensions. Once you're on the page, tap the download button. You'll see an option that says Install MetaMask for Brave or Chrome. Brave relies on the Chrome Web Store for extensions, so that's the correct choice here. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store page for MetaMask. Tap Add to Brave, and when Brave asks for confirmation, select Add Extension. Give it a moment to install. When it's done, you should see the MetaMask icon available in your extensions area. On some devices, this appears under the puzzle piece icon. Tap the MetaMask Fox icon and choose Get Started to begin. Next, decide whether you're creating a brand new wallet or importing an existing one. If you're new to MetaMask, select Create a new wallet. If you already have a wallet elsewhere, choose Import using Secret Recovery Phrase. You'll be asked to set a password for the app. This password locks MetaMask on your device. It does not replace your recovery phrase. Use a strong password you can remember. Now comes the crucial security step. Watch the brief safety video presented by MetaMask, then choose to reveal your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Write these words down in the exact order and store them securely offline. Do not share them with anyone and avoid saving them in screenshots, notes apps, or cloud storage. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet and funds if you lose your device or forget your password. After you've written it down, MetaMask will ask you to confirm by re-entering the words in the correct order. Take your time and double-check your spelling. Once confirmed, tap All Done. Your MetaMask wallet is now ready to use within Brave. You'll be able to view your account, check balances, and connect to decentralized apps directly from the browser. Only connect your wallet to sites you trust and review permissions when prompted. If you ever need to adjust network or privacy settings, you can do so from the MetaMask settings menu. That's it. Your MetaMask setup on Brave for Android is complete and secured the right way.